Good day, Jamaican insiders. Welcome back to the channel. In this one, we're in the parish of St. Catherine, and I'm at the Old Harbour Railway Station. Do stick and stay and enjoy. According to the Jamaica National Heritage Trust, this railway station was constructed around 1879. This is a two-story Jamaican and Georgian structure, which, as you can now see, has been abandoned. So even though the railway station has been abandoned, the tracks here are still being used to transport goods, not people, but goods. Alright, coming to the end of another video. Hope you've enjoyed this one. here in Old Harbour. Looking forward to hear from you, so please comment your thoughts of this railway station here in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and do remember to subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. Remember also to share this video with a friend or two. I would really appreciate it.